Let's make Dutch oven sticky butter chickpeas and beef stew. My name is Mair, you're watching Mair Born Hungry. I have 15 ingredients just to make this delicious sticky butter, chickpeas and beef stew. I have a Dutch oven, I have a food processor. Look at this beef piece only. This is a shank meat. This is alone one piece is 2.5 pounds. So you can use any kind of beef with the bone. I'm just giving you idea how to make this recipe. We have some dry herbs. This is the clarified butter we are using. Start with the ghee. Dutch oven is on the medium-high flame. I'm taking 4 tablespoons of ghee. We'll take 1 medium-sized yellow onion, dice it into small pieces and add this in your food processor. 20 cloves of fresh garlic, 100 grams of fresh ginger, onion, garlic and ginger. Let's fry onion, garlic and ginger for 10 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, this is how you will see onion, garlic and ginger. Now we will season this. 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of salt, red chili powder. I'm using the Kashmiri one. We will take Garam Masala and it will be 1 tablespoon. Coriander, 1 tablespoon. Black pepper, half tablespoon. 2 to 3 bay leaves. Cumin, 2 tablespoons. If you want more fragrant of your sticky butter, chickpea and beef stew, take fenugreek leaves. Do half tablespoon of dry fenugreek leaves. So how many ingredients we have? Let me tell you this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 dry ingredients are in here. Fry roasted at least for 3 to 4 minutes. So all the dry seasoning get roasted as well. They all are roasted. Here is our delicious 2.5 pound of the beef shank. The big guy, and here you go. Let's land this in here. All of it. Cover it. It's on the medium flame. We'll add 40 minutes to it. 235. This is 40 minutes later. Let's do a sneak peek. So it says 2:35 on the clock. Look at this shank. Whoa. It's looking okay. Let's see if the meat is tender. So we'll take a fork and we'll try to pull the meat. And now, no, it's not done. 1 more cup of water in here. 2 cans of the chickpeas. The chickpeas, the Garbanzo beans. After adding the chickpeas, this is how it's supposed to look. Just give it a mix. At this stage, you can check your salt and pepper. Let it cook for at least 30 more minutes on the medium flame. Just give me 30 more minutes now. 30 minutes later, since we added the chickpeas, and all together 1 hour and 20 minutes later, since we added the big chunk of the beef shank in here. Wow. Meat. Okay, it's almost there. That's the good news. Alright, last ingredient, we will take tomato puree, which will make the whole stew sticky. We'll use half of it, 30 grams. Let's give it a mix. Look at this. This is whole 2-hour recipe. This is 2.5 pounds of the beef shank. So here you go, last 30 minutes. It's on the simmer. Let our beef get tender. How we will serve it? We are having ready-made tandoori naan breads with that. You can have white rice with that, or just with the spoon you can enjoy this recipe. Finally, 2 hours and 30 minutes later since we started the process, and here you go. This is the moment of truth. Handful of fresh cilantro and fresh green chilies. It looks good. And let me show you the meat. Okay, let's dive it here. And it's fully done. It will melt in your mouth and land it in our serving plate. This is delicious Dutch oven, sticky butter, chickpea and beef stew. This is the moment of truth, and here you go. First bite. Look at this sticky butter. And let's do a premium bite. Man, I'm excited. I want this whole piece. The meat is perfect. And let's take a whole bite with the chickpeas. Ooh, look at this. Creamy. The bone marrow. Oh my god. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. It's seriously, subscribe, join, hit the bell icon. I will see you on the next one. It is so good. I just want to sit down, relax and eat this with the spoon. Here you go. Wow.